we need to populate our users table in the My Website database with more data. To save time, we'll import the data from an existing SQL file included in your Downloads folder. Open the file in a text editor and copy all the text inside. Now go into PhpMyAdmin and click on the My Website database from the left column. Click on the Empty button to empty the users table. This will delete any records that are in there so they don't conflict with the contents of the new SQL file that we're importing. To confirm that the table is empty, click on the Browse button. Now there are no records in this table. Now click on the SQL tab in the main menu. Empty the SQL editor, so just delete whatever is in there. And right-click and go to Paste. Now click the Go button. And you should see a green message appear at the top. Go back to the Browse tab to make sure that all the records were inserted, and there should be 14 records in total. Okay, don't get confused by the ID number. And yes, we do have 14 records, so the import was successful.